Well, the big thing about our teams is we're going to have a bunch of new faces. I mean, we're really going to be young. We've completely made a transition there. The men's side, we've got 6 brand new freshmen, 2 new junior college transfers to go along with the core of the team that we had last year. And I think what makes me the most excited is the accomplishments that they've done from May 15th, 2014 to the present. They've had a lot of successes in amateur golf throughout the summer. And what that tells me is that they've been really working hard on their games. And that's all a coach can ask. Talent-wise, I've got Corey Knight that's come in. He's won a couple of tournaments, big tournaments, the Dixie Amateur. The spin-off of that is the Woodlands Amateur. That's probably one of the bigger highlights that he's done. But he also won the Arizona Golf Association, the Santan Open, which included a final round 62 to win it. I mean, it was an amazing round. I think we can win conference. We have an outside chance to win conference. I don't want to belittle any of the teams that are out there, but you know, I think that we got a chance. We got a good chance, and we will show up every week. We're going to compete. We're going to have to play our best. But if we play our best and we have a couple good rounds, I think that we could start to be a little more competitive and maybe even win the conference. I think talent-wise, we got the kids to do it. You know, they're young, but you know, I like what we've got. On the women's side, we picked up 2 brand new freshmen. We had a good core, but I guess again, you look at the successes that they had in the summer in tournament competition. Madison Romju finished second. She lost in a playoff at the City of Lincoln Women's City Championship. And she's not the same player. She came back. You can tell that she's worked at her game. And then we had the addition of Celine Lim Shuling. She's our first entry into the international students, and she swings at it very, very well and has an extremely high pedigree of tournaments in Malaysia. I mean, they played they call it the Faldo series, and she's played in everything since she's been 12 years old. So I know that she's got a lot of tournament experience. And then we signed Tiffany Yabut. She won a junior amateur tournament in Omaha, Nebraska this summer. So when you see people win tournaments, you know that they have to be working. They're working on their game to get to that level to win. And you know, if they win at any level, hopefully that's going to try to transcend into winning for us.